Hi there, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create subdomain in Cpanel. So what are subdomain? Subdomain are subdivisions of a larger domain in the domain name system. So in a simpler term, they are additional parts of a main domain. For example, in the domain, for example, if a domain name is, let's say, alex.com, so the subdomain could be maybe blog.alex.com or shop.alex.com. So the main purpose of subdomain is to organize and navigate different section or function of a website. So each subdomain can have its own unique content and may be treated as a separate entity by the website owner. So subdomain are created through DNS settings and they can point to different IP addresses or locations. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create subdomain in Cpanel. So let's get started. So I'm using Namecheap. So as long as your hosting provider supports Cpanel, you can follow the instructions shared in this video and create your subdomain. So all you need to do is just log into your hosting provider account. So I've already logged in to my hosting provider account on Cpanel. Then so click on the hosting section here. Click on the hosting section. So to access our Cpanel, just click on go to our Cpanel. Once you click on go to Cpanel, you'll be redirected to the Cpanel page. So what you need to do is just search for domain or subdomain. So you can search for it here. Alternatively, you can also look for domain here, but this may take longer. So I prefer to search for it. As you can see, this is a domain. This is what we are looking for. You can also search for it here. Domains. So let's open it in a new tab. So let's add our subdomain. So to add our subdomain, just click on the create a new domain here. So here are my domain names and my subdomain that I have already created. So I want to create a new subdomain now. So to do that, just click on create a new domain. Click it here. So my main domain name is kennyilori.com. So as you can see, this domain already exists on this account. So the subdomain I want for this domain is I want emp.kennyilori.com. so if you want to create, for example, you may want to create a subdomain for your blog page of your blog website. It could be blog.yourdomainname.com, or if it is a shop page, it could be shop.yourdomainname.com. But in my case, I want to create a new website for a photography website. So it is the EMP stands for Enchanted Moment Photography. So I'm using emp.kenny.com. So the next thing you need to do is you need to leave this on check directory. So what we need to do next is just click on the submit here. Click on the submit button. As you can see, it can take a moment to create a new domain. It occurs on your account with a larger number of domains. So once it is successful, we will get a notification. As you can see, success, you have created the new emp.com, your domain name So it is successful now. So let's look for our domain, the domain name we created. So as you can see, this is this domain, the subdomain we created. So this is the document roots, and this is the domain. Let's click on manage to see. As you can see, so this is our domain. So the next thing you would want to do, I believe, is install WordPress on your subdomain. So I will be installing WordPress on this subdomain I just created. So let's quickly do that. So to install WordPress on the subdomain, just go back to the Cpanel dashboard, then the Subtaculous here, click on the Subtaculous and app installer. So then we will be installing WordPress. So click on install, so now we need to choose a protocol for our website. So it is already at HTTPS, so let's select HTTP because we don't have an SSL for this website yet. So let's select HTTP/. So now in this drop down section here, you should be able to find the subdomain that you just created. You should be able to find it in this drop down here. So this is my main domain. So let's look for the subdomain. As you can see, emp.kenny.ilori.com. So this is the subdomain I just created. So just select the subdomain that you created, then scroll down. In the site settings, you can give your website any name that you want to name your website, and in the site description here, also give your website any description you want for your website. Now this admin account setting, this is very important. You need to set up an admin email, set up an email that just type in an email that you have an access to, because this admin at emp.kennyilori.com, I don't have an access to it. What you need to do is just type in any email address that you have an access to. So let me use this email, and the admin password, you can change the admin password to whatever you like. You can change the admin password to whatever you like, and the admin name. So let's change the admin name also to so we have just changed the admin name now. So you may need to copy those details because you will need the information to log into your account whenever you want to log into your account. So just ensure you save the information somewhere that you have access to. You can save it anywhere. So I will be putting it in a notepad, then later I will save it in a more secure environment. So now the next thing is choose language. We are using English. Select plugins that you want. So you can leave it on limit logins attempts. So we can leave this as it is, leave it. So just click on install. So WordPress is now installing on our subdomain. So it is installing. So after successful. Congratulations, the software was successfully installed. So this is our domain name. This is the domain name that we subdomain that we just created. So there is nothing on the website yet. So this is our admin URL. We can just copy the two. And just copy the two and also save it. Paste it where it is. Save. So now the website may need some hours to propagate because it is a new website, and it may take a couple of minutes to hours before we can visit the website. So that is how to create subdomain for your website. That is how to create subdomain in Cpanel and install WordPress on your subdomain. So I hope you find value in this video. So if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up button below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful video like this. So I am looking forward to seeing your comments. Also, if you have any questions, just leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will attend to your questions. So thank you and bye bye.